I want to welcome you to my Balanced Literacy e-Unit page. The central focus is weather. My Balanced Literacy e-Unit is connected to weather through various aspects. I've included a variety of reading material for students ranging from kindergarten to 5th grade. I meet various standards throughout my different reading plans I have included. I have attached a shared reading plan, a guided reading plan, an e-tool, and a read aloud book for my students. My Balanced Literacy e-Unit supports a community of learners by providing them with the materials needed to succeed in reading. The first link here is related literature. I have included various books with different reading levels. I have also included text for English language learners. I think that this is an important component to include. I determine the right book for students by focusing on the various reading levels and by relating them to the theme of weather. I have also added a link to my Epic book collection that includes more books related to the theme, which you can see by clicking here. This here is my Epic book collection. There's a variety of books here with different reading levels as well, included to weather. My second link is shared reading. Here I've included my shared reading plan, which you can view by clicking here. This is for the book titled Rain. By clicking there, it will pull up right here, which this here is a little snippet of my shared reading plan. The third link is guided reading. Here you can click to view my guided reading plan for the book Snow Day for Mouse. When you click here, it brings up my guided reading plan, which can be seen here. The fourth link is my e-tool. Here I've included an ebook that I made that you can view here. It's titled The Big Game. You can come in and click through the various pages of the ebook. The fifth link is for my read aloud. Here you can find an attached video where I show my read aloud video, and here you can click to open my 3-lesson sequence read aloud plan. When clicking on that, it brings you right here to my read aloud plan, which encompasses writing, strategy focus, my read aloud, and the little synopsis of the book, and a link to my read aloud here as well. This is the link that you'll come to when you want to see my read aloud plan. All of these links provide support for students as I plan out my guided reading, shared reading, and read aloud plans. My ebook also encompasses a writing assignment for students where I can test their ability to relate back to the story and test their comprehension. All of my lesson plans teach students how to read both independently and as a group and to help them better comprehend material. I can assess my students through the different components I have included in my different reading plans. I have also included a writing assignment with my e-tool, which you can see here, as I mentioned previously. My students can connect their learning to writing by first discussing weather and then by writing about different types of weather they've experienced and how they felt. This will relate back to the various books I have included, which once again you can click through here, the related literature, and with everything else I've included through my different plans. This sums up my Balanced Literacy e-Unit. I hope you find it helpful when clicking through the various plans and the different books I have provided. Thank you.